Welcome guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to log in your derivative details on trader5. So trader5 is a trading platform, okay, where you can log in with your broker details, and then you will have tools you can use to trade. So moving on, if you do not have trader5, you can go to your app store or play store, depending on your operating system. Go to app store using iOS, okay, and then search for trader5. As you can see, it's already there. So you open it, okay. So when you install it and open it, you will be brought to this page. So meanwhile, you need to log in with your details, okay. I've already shown you guys how to find your login details on Deriv. So remember, Deriv is your broker, okay, for those that will be trading volatility indices. Deriv is a good one for that. So you go to settings to log in. So you go to new accounts, okay. So new accounts, you go to or search for the broker name. So the broker name is going to be Deriv, okay. You choose Deriv, and then you now if you're signing in with a demo account or a real account, you come to this server point here. If it's a real account, it will be Deriv server 02. If it's a demo account, it will be Deriv demo, okay. So moving on, you enter your login ID, and then you enter your password, okay. Everything will be on your Deriv account, okay. So once you've signed in, your money and your funds will be on your trader5 account, okay. So moving on, you now go to, let's go show you how to use the charts, okay. So first of all, these are what you can see here are the pairs that are available on Deriv volatility pairs. So these are the volatility pairs: volatility 10 index, 100 index, and so on and so forth. We have jump in index as well. We have a jump 25, 10, 100, and 75. Okay, you can also add currency pairs if you want. Okay, so moving on, let's look at the charts for volatility 100. So go to volatility 100, okay. Now first of all, I want to tell you about the time frames. You can see at the top left, you will see M5. M5 means 5 minutes time frame, okay. So you want to look at the charts from higher time frame, okay. We'll do more about that on the technical analysis. So you want to look at the chart from H4 4-hour time frame. You want to look at the chart from D1 daily time frame to see the bigger picture, okay. See the bigger picture of the market. So moving on, and also you may want to use some trend line tools, horizontal trend line tools, and so on. Where to get them is at this round, square, and triangular looking shape. This icon that bears round, circle, rectangular, and triangular looking shape. You click on it, and you find different tools you can use to analyze the market before taking any trade. You have a Fibonacci, the first one, Fibonacci retracement levels, okay. This is also a very vital tool in trading. It helps you to find out retracement levels, okay. So you also have your horizontal trend line, okay. Use this horizontal trend line to map out levels on the market, support levels. You want to see your support levels. You also want to see some resistance levels, okay. So you have other tools you can use to find make market decisions, okay. So moving on, we also have for those that like trading with indicators, it can be found on this F looking icon. Okay, click on it. I don't usually use it, but some people like to use it, so you can get it from this main window. Find your different indicator tools. You have MACD, you have moving averages, you have stochastic oscillators, and so on and so forth. Okay, if you like to use them, you can come here and have them. Okay, so moving on, guys, we now have the place you can get choose your lot size. The lot size can be found on this place. You can see a number here. You can change it and enter the right volume, the right lot size you want. Let's say you want to use 0.5 for velocity 100. You can use it to enter a trade. Okay, a sell or a buy on your screen is here. So the next one is this round looking shape on the top right, that is blue and red, or is that orange? So the first one is used to place limit orders. Okay, limit orders, you can see, used to play limit orders, buy limit, sell limit. It is buy limit when the market is in the opposite direction of the price. Okay, and you want price to return back and pick you before buying. Okay, or if the market, you want the price to, if you want to buy, it will have to come back and pick your sell before buying, before selling rather. If you want to sell, you want the market to come back and pick your sell. Okay, so depending on where you put it, that's where the limit will change. Okay, so moving on, guys, we also have this. If you want the buy and sell icons to disappear, just click on the rectangular color. Okay, click on it and it disappears. So that is it, guys. Very simple, very simple. You have your history, you have your trade. You want to see the floating profits you're making, go to trade icon. So, and that is it, guys. It's very simple, very simple, guys. So thank you for